Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I, Neha Gupta, class teacher of class 2, is appeared before you to teach you English grammar lesson 10, simple past tense. But before it, I want to ask a question. What is verb? A verb is an action word. It denotes a certain action done by the subject. The puppy runs to the bowl. In this sentence, the word runs is a verb because it's an action word. It is done by the subject. Now let's know about simple past tense. Past tense. The past tense expresses events or actions that already occurred. These actions are finite in that they have both a starting and a stopping point. Past tense. Actions which has already happened, that is called past tense. Examples: I wrote a letter. Sarah cooked the meal. In these two examples, the actions are happened in the past. Simple past, past indefinite tense. Simple past tense is also called past indefinite tense. It is used for the actions started in the past and already completed. Simple past tense is used to tell stories. Now let's see structure of simple past tense. How to make simple past tense? With this structure, we will make this. Subject plus verb second form plus object. Example: we played saucer. I ate an apple. In these two examples, the word played is a second form of play and ate is a second form of eat. So, this way we will frame simple past tense. Let's see few more examples. She washed the dishes. I met my wife last year. Now, let's learn the rules. If a verb ends with a vowel and the letters E, A, I, O, U, we add D to change it to its simple past form. You can see here words are there: close, smile, dance. These words are ends with E, that is vowel. So in these words we will add D to frame its past tense. Close, closed. Smile, smiled. Dance, danced. Rule number 2. If a verb ends with a consonant or letters except the vowels, we add ed to change it to its simple past form. Examples: jump, play, cook. All these words are ends with consonants. So we will add in this ed to change it in past form. Jump, jumped. Play, played. Cook, cooked. Rule number 3. If a verb ends with a consonant followed by a y, we change the y to I and add ed to change it to its simple past form. Examples: cry and try. These words are end with y, so in this place we will add I ed in place of y. Cry, cried. Try, tried. So, this is the explanation of lesson 10. You all will do the practice of this lesson. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.